Today is November the 2nd, 2025. We're out at the airfield today for the fly float. We have a boat just in case. Hopefully nobody needs it. It's a beautiful sunny day. Got several people showing up for it. And we're going to be flying today the Avios Twin Otter. You've seen it before with us. We've put floats on it today. And it's going to have its maiden voyage on the lake.
Okay, so I'm going to go around here, get in the water a little bit. Up all right?
We're good.
Do a little bit more of that. Go back to 2.
This is going up with a HandyEdgeTx today on the lake for the first time. Very nice takeoff. Nice touch and go. Very nice flyby. Woohoo! Success!
Alright, it lives. Success. Good day out here this morning.
Turn around this way. Turn around this way.
It lives again. We did it. The first maiden voyage on water.
Red is no good.
Huh, it's something out of torch. Alright, try it again.
Two float planes up in the air.
landing.
Don't do that twice. Coming in.
Good landing.
Thank you.
Excellent. Almost went dukes ahead. Well, one floater.
See how the pilot's doing over there. Well, he's got a smile on his face. That's always a good sign. He's going to do a little twisting just to bring it in. Let's see if I can get both him and the plane in the same frame. See what we can do. We've got the rescue boat also out in the water trying to rescue somebody else's. Why go straight when you can back up?
Come on. Okay. You're have to back it up, I guess. Did it!
Till next time.